Hi and welcome to this demo session on Are You Always Happy? This demo session is designed to ensure that you understand what all will be covered in the actual session as well as the learning objectives. Let me first take you through the learning objectives. There are three key learning objectives of this entire session. Number one, to ensure that the participants learn the art of setting goals and achieving them. If you keenly observe, all of us set goals for ourselves. Take New Year resolutions for instance. Every year we set new goals, however small it may be, for ourselves. And what happens with time is we tend to forget those goals and get busy with our lives. Again, at the end of the year, we'll start setting new goals. Why does this happen? Now, if you observe when we are working in companies or organizations, the chances that the goals which the companies set for themselves are achieved, the probability is much higher than individual goals. Why is that so? Do they do some magic? No, it is all about methodology. Trust me, that methodology can be adopted or implemented for our personal goal setting as well, so that we don't just set our goals but also get them. So this is the first objective, to ensure that all of us learn this art of setting goals and again achieving them as well. The second objective is going to be to explore and understand the concept of being always happy. So if you note, the term here is always happy and not just happy. This term happiness has always intrigued me. I kept on observing a lot of people who were able to be always happy irrespective of the circumstances around them or the situation in which those people were in. Based on these observations, I have written one book called 8 Sutras of Always Happy People. So in this objective, what we are going to do is explore this concept of what is being always happy. So we learn few key principles, as well as I'll share a lot of stories with you, which I have also shared in the first book which I talked about. 3, to learn the art of storytelling. Storytelling plays a very important role when it comes to presentations. It can be your professional presentations which you do in your office, in board meetings, or it can be a very informal talk which you are giving in front of a friends, family, or such informal gatherings. When you tell stories is when you can engage with the audience. So you will see how storytelling helps in my session in engaging with you, and we will also learn how to tell stories in your session so that you can engage with the audience. Let me quickly take you through the session plan. We will start our session with the introduction and icebreaker. In the introduction, we'll all get introduced to each other, and through icebreaker, we'll set the stage for the entire learning process. The second session is going to be goal setting and getting. That means we'll take you through a very methodical approach of setting your own goals and also how to achieve them. Number 3, we'll see how the focus changed over the years from PQ, which is physical quotient, to SQ, which is spiritual quotient. Then we will get into our key topic of being always happy, the keys or principles of being always happy, through of course a lot of stories. Then we will get into storytelling technique or the framework which is called as OSCRE, OSCRE. This framework is something I really appreciate. I use it very often in all my sessions, and we will also explore more on how to use this framework in order for you to tell interesting stories and engage the audience. We will have a summary of the entire session in the end and a Q&A session where all your queries and questions will be answered. At the end of the session, we will have a feedback session where you can share your feedback regarding the course to me and the organizer, so that next time when we organize the same course, it is much better for the future participants. I hope you are able to understand what this session Are You Always Happy going to be, and I will be eagerly waiting for you to join the actual session and learn all the concepts which we have discussed. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all the very best and happy learning.